In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Manychat in just 5 minutes. Manychat is a powerful tool designed to automate and streamline your communication for platforms like Facebook Messenger and many others. However, there may come a time when you need to turn off certain functionalities for various reasons. Perhaps you're updating your strategy, troubleshooting, or need a breather from automated engagements. Today I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure you're all set to pause those auto responses without any hassle. First, let's begin by heading over to the Manychat dashboard. You'll want to fire up your browser and navigate to the Manychat website. Once there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. When you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the Home tab. This is your starting point. Clicking on the Home tab will provide you access to various features within Manychat you might need to adjust or explore later. Next, from the Home tab, you'll find your way over to the Settings section. From there, the next step involves clicking on Inbox. This is where all your interactions with your subscribers or clients appear. It's crucial to understand what's happening here because it helps you manage conversations effectively. Now that you're in the Inbox settings, we need to move a little further to locate the Auto Assignment section. Think of Auto Assignment as the little elves working behind the scenes to distribute tasks automatically. Ensuring no conversation is left unattended, you're going to click on it to adjust its settings. Once you've found and engaged with auto assignment, you'll notice a toggle option. What we're aiming to do here is to turn this feature off, so go ahead, click on the switch that says off. With this, Manychat will no longer auto assign conversations to your team or even yourself. You can now manually handle each inquiry, giving you a bit more personal control over your interactions. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have successfully turned off the auto assignment feature in Manychat. Good job on reaching the end of this tutorial. Always remember that you can come back to these settings and switch things back on whenever you feel the need. Keeping control of your automation settings plays a crucial role in managing your communications effectively. Don't hesitate to explore and tweak these settings further to suit your evolving needs. Thank you for joining me today, and if this guide helped, be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips on optimizing your digital communication tools.